First of all, good morning to everyone. Students, today I am going to discuss T head, T body, T foot, TH and IMG tag. Okay. Now, when I am talking about the T head, it means the top part of your table, T body, that is the middle part, and T foot, the bottom part. Suppose this is my table. This is my first row, second row, third row, fourth and fifth rows. Okay. My first column and second and third. See, I want my first row should behave as head. Second and third one should behave as body, and this one as the foot. See, in which case T head, T body and T foot will help you a lot. When you want to divide your table in three parts, I'm not saying three equal parts. It depends on you that the first section will have how many rows, second how many rows, and third how many rows. Okay. Now I'm going to show you. First of all, for that, I will go to the notepad. Now, here I am going to use the code HTML 8 title work on table tag slash title slash head body. Now here I am going to use table border equal to 1. Okay. Now what is my planning? My planning is that my table should contain 5 rows. First 2 will be the T head. So here I will use T head. Now my background color of these 2 rows should be yellow. I have defined. Now I will include that T R and its data. I want the 2 rows and 2 columns. So here I am going to use TD 20 slash TD TD 25 slash TD and then slash TR. One more I want. Again, I will use TR. I'm going to copy this one. I'm going to copy this one. Okay. Now here instead of 20, I'm going to use 30 and 34. Now I will close my T head. Students, my first part completed. Now I want the body section, and the body section should contain only 1 row. Here I will use T body. I want my basic color. Basic color should be pink. Okay. Now, I'm going to copy this. And pasting this row with having different datas. Okay. Now, I will close my T body. Now, my T body is also completed. Now it's time to work on T foot. So here in T foot, I want to have 2 rows. So here I will use T foot. Now what the color you want to specify? I want to have the basic color as green. Okay. Now, one row is here. "44, 4. One more row. TD, here I will use some other values, 90, and here 94. And now I will go for /T foot. Now, students, you can see on the screen, yes, you see on the screen, this T foot containing first and second. That means at the bottom 2 rows. T body from here to there, which contain only 1 row. Now I'm going to upper part. Here. Now you can see here in T8, I have kept 2 rows, this and this. Okay. Now I'm going to run it. But before running, I must have to complete it. The HTML document /table /body and then /HTML. Now I'm going to save it. I'm going to save it on the desktop. Name table.html. Now I'm going to run it. This is my table. Now I'm going to open with the Google Chrome. Now let me increase the size. See. Now watch it carefully, my dear. The first 2 rows which I have set the background as yellow. Next, T body that I set as pink, and the T foot that contains 2 rows having the background color green. So you want your table to be in 3 sections. Then you can go for T8, T body, and T foot. Okay. Now, students, I am going to discuss TH. So I will go back to the same document. Now, see, students, I want my top part. Okay. This one 20 and 24 should not behave, yes, as data. It behave as a heading. Okay. Then I will use here TH. Only this changing you have to do it, my dear. Instead of TD, you make TS, so that you will have 2 columns a heading. Okay. Now I want to have this one as name. name, not is, and this one as role. Now, what will happen? Your name and age that are created as column heading, that will become bold because this is my heading. Now I will save it. Now I'm going to refresh it. Now you can see your age and role both have become bold as compared with other data. This shows that it is the heading, or in other way you can say this is the column heading of that column. That is age, this is my column heading which contains the different data that are related to age, other one role that are related with the roll number. Now, the last part, that is IMG tag. Let me check what is the last part. Yes, IMG. You know, when you want to insert image, okay, then in that case you must have to use the IMG tag. But this is your foreground image. I'm not talking about the background. This is the foreground. For the background image, you can go for your body tag. Then you can use background attribute. So here I am going to insert one image. So for that, I must have to use IMG tag src equal to. Now here will be location of your graphics file. So first of all, I have to see where is my graphics. Download, let me check it if the file is there. Document. You have to search the location. Okay. Maybe in download there are different files. Okay. Yeah, river is there. You can see river is there. Okay. This I will see the property. Now, where is my location? It is in download, and download is in Kishore, and Kishore is in users, and user is available in which drive? C drive. So I will select this and I will copy it. Control C. Now, only giving this location will not give you the image on the web browser. You have to give the name of the file. And what is the name of the file? River. And what is its extension? .jpg. So I'm going back. Now here I will paste it and give the file as river.jpg. Okay. And now close it. Now what will happen? You will get an image. Okay. Now I have saved this. Now I am going to refresh it. Now you can see the image has come. You can see this is my image. So for that, let me decrease the size. Okay, so that you can see. This is my image which has come on the screen. But I want, no, it is very big. I have to reduce the size. So for that, you can use height and width attribute. Height equal to, suppose, 25, width equal to 50. Okay. Now, as per that, your image will appear on the web browser. See, the image has come, but I want more big. You can do it. It is up to you, my dear. Okay. Here, I'm not satisfied with this. It should be little bit big. This is also very small. It should be 100. Now, save it and reload it. Okay. Now image has come. So it is up to you what you want. You can give the border, you can give the title, whatever you want. Yes, that you can give it. I hope you have understood these all topics, my dear. Yes, thank you.